Welcome back, YouTube. Everybody. Have another review or update on aweber. As you know, my past videos I've been talking about joining aweber for a long time, and the number one reason for me joining aweber is for the blog broadcast, where it will automatically take your latest blog post and put in email form and send it to your email list, which works wonders. And this is my, I guess, showing you that I do have my blog. This is my blog here, and I do have it set so every time I have a blog post, it's going to automatically post to my email list. So I'll get my blog post free traffic every time I do a blog post. And this is one of the main reasons I joined aweber. Not a lot of our responders have this feature. So if you have a blog or you're going to get one, I would suggest you get aweber, because you can have automatic blog posts automatic to your list, and you don't have to do extra work. It's all automated for you with aweber. If you don't have aweber, I have a link below for aweber. Also, you have opportunity if you want to make money online with email marketing. I have an ebook showing you how to make money online with YouTube, email list, and building a blog. So if you have a blog and you have trying to build a list, my ebook is free. You can download it. I explain why you need an email list and why you need to build traffic and have traffic on demand. You have a blog, the ebook applies to you as well. Get aweber, you can automatically broadcast your blog post automatically for your aweber. You don't have to do no extra step. Just set it up one time and forget it. And that's one of the main reasons why I chose aweber. So this is my little update on aweber. It's going good so far. Let's see, right now I have 391 subscribers on my list right now. So with that number, we'll do a blog post, maybe 150 people will get will look at my email and look at the blog post. And hopefully those 150 will share the blog post. That's free traffic to my blog post. So yeah, blog broadcast is definitely a tool to use for aweber. If you know aweber, get it. It's worth the $25 a month. Worth it. This is Tyrone. Subscribe to my channel. Visit my blog, worldgroup.org. I'm done on my ebook. Share my videos. It helps me out. And thanks for watching.